In an earlier segment, we went over the frame control when someone's throwing a punch. And we used the inside forearm as a strike. And that's going to review that, how we could do that again. We can do it off a punch, but also just be a regular strike. So let's actually put Evan over here. And so if it's a punch, I'm coming in here, framing off. What we want to work on now is actually just going to kind of combine almost a crash technique with that frame control. So he throws that punch and crash, and I'm coming in, boom, hitting him. Sorry about that. Again, that's a really tough shot. So I'm in there, it's almost like I'm defending his punches and coming in there and just, boom, launching into that. It's a heavy thud. It's a club. Think about your arm as just like a baseball bat ramming into him. It's not a shot. It's not a hammer fist. You're using this part and you're just ramming it into the side of his neck, into that vagus nerve. And I gave him a 30% shot, and I'm sure it didn't feel that good.
Yeah, my vision.
So all it does is disrupts the blood flow to your brain, and that's what we're looking for to do. It's a quick second to escape, or it's a quick second to set up something else. Knee strikes, elbow strikes, takedowns, throws, whatever you've got, hit him with that. Sets a lot of things up after that.